Hi everyone, I'm Sio from One Stop Solution, and in this video I will show you how to find liked posts on Facebook. Knowing how to locate your liked post is useful for revisiting content that inspired or entertained you and keeping track of your interests. So let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Tap on the menu option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the settings option from the top right corner. In the settings menu, find the activity log option and tap on it. Tap on your Facebook activity to see your interactions. From the menu, select the Manage Comments and Reactions option. Tap on the Filters option, then select Categories. Finally, tap on Likes and Reactions to view all the posts you have liked. And this is how you can find liked posts on Facebook. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.